everyone, and welcome to Lumen5 Academy.
We're excited to introduce you to this course and to show you how easy it is to create professional quality videos with Lumen5.
Whether you're new to video or an experienced video editor, this course is for you.
You can learn at your own pace and watch every video from start to finish, or choose which topics you would like to cover.
We also include quizzes and exercises so you can test your knowledge as you go.
The course will take you through everything from the basics of the tool to advanced features and techniques that will help you create truly stunning videos.
Lumen5 makes it easy to repurpose your marketing content to create engaging videos in just minutes.
We also help your team stay on brand while producing videos at scale using our custom-designed video templates.
Sign up for our free training course and learn how to leverage our easy-to-use video creation software to grow your brand and
drive engagement today.